Devin sir, the other important bit I wanted to discuss with you as far as HDFC Bank is concerned. Again, we've got the business update today. How are you looking at HDFC Bank performing now? Of course, there is a deposit growth of 26%. The data is positive as far as advances are also concerned. So not much problem that we can spot as far as the fundamental data is concerned. The financial update is concerned for Q4. How would you really explain the kind of lackluster move that we have been constantly witnessing on HDFC Bank and just not the willingness to take the front row when it comes to pulling the markets higher?
So I think on one side the fundamentals are absolutely remaining convincing, largely because of the fact that I think they are the largest private sector corporate bank in the country after SBI, which is in public sector, of course. But this is the largest bank with 23, 24 lakh crore worth of AUM. Now, given the size of the economy, which is now transforming big time, soon we are likely to be seeing ourselves entering into $5 trillion economy club, and we are likely to see the 2027-2030 period in which the size of the economy would probably grow from 3.5, $3.6 trillion to $7 trillion, $8 trillion. Given that kind of a growth that we are talking about, the credit growth of the economy is expected to grow even bigger and better. So, suppose if the economy is growing at nominal rate of growth of around 12-13%, which is plus inflation along with the GDP growth rate, I would think that the bank AUM portfolio, the loan portfolio, should be growing at least 50% above the economic rate of growth. So suppose it's 17-18% kind of an average growth that we are talking about for the loan portfolio of likes of HDFC Bank. We are talking of 4.5 years time in which the size of the portfolio gets doubled. Should it happen, then the value and the valuations in the market will have to catch up. And maybe I think that will happen sooner than later. Maybe some of the technical factors like current shareholding pattern where maximum amount of exposure of the FI is already been taken. I guess I think this is somewhere coming in the way for the stock, I think, to give the further headroom. Should there be a kind of a situation where they probably get to have more capital expansion in the equity base, I would think that the company would probably show a sign of around 20 to 25% growth in the stock price in next 12 months or so. So we really see this particular potential as a good potential from investment perspective.